So one of the questions I get is, why should we fully automate the connection between Venafi and a web server? It might be IIS, Apache Nginx, or whatever web server it is. There are a couple of important reasons why you should do this. The first I would highlight is time savings. To not have to go through that process of requesting, via the CSR and creating the CSR to request a certificate, downloading the certificate, installing it, fixing the bindings, and restarting the server. All of those steps for each certificate, each time it expires. It's a frequent enough experience that it takes time. It's a nuisance, and to completely eliminate that and make it so that the certificates are automatically renewing, but putting the web server administrator still in a position where you can control the timing so that it aligns with your maintenance window is it's really the ideal situation. So the customers who have done it are always so glad that it saves them the time, the hassle, allows them to focus on the projects that they are really interested in doing. And at the same time, it provides insurance that this very critical security step is done on time and correctly. If you haven't looked at the Venafi integrations that are possible for your web server, you should take a look today, see what those benefits are, and how that integration can simplify your web server administration.